Hello, Sharon student, and you are watching a video today on how to create a citation in Noodletools. You have found a resource and you need to create a citation to prevent yourself from committing plagiarism. This is how you do it. All right, make sure you have a project started in your Noodletools account. Click on that project to open it up. Once you're in the dashboard for that project, you want to click Sources to access the screen to create your citations. Create a citation for your resource. You press the green button, Create New Citation, and Noodletools will ask you a few questions. The first question is, where is it? And this is, where is the resource that you're using? Where did you find it? The resource today is a website, so we're clicking Website. Now, the resource that we're using where was it found? This one was found on a web page, so we're clicking Web Page. And a list of prompts comes up that we need to fill in and let the original resource guide us. The first box we need to fill in is the URL for the website that contains our resource. I'm going to go to that website right here. It's CNN, and the article is Half of Teens Think They're Addicted to Their Smartphones. The first box was to copy over the URL. So I'm going to highlight the URL up in the browser box. I'm going to copy and paste the URL into the box in Noodletools. That easy. The next thing I'll do is find the date of publication of the resource. Go back to the resource and find out what day this article was published. Usually that can be found right underneath the author's name of the article. It is July 29th, 2016. So I'm going to go back to Noodletools, click the drop downs to match this. July 29th, 2016. The next series of boxes is the most recent date of access. That would be today. So I'm going to fast click it, the blue word today, and it fills it in. The next series of boxes is for the contributors. There's a drop down. We're going to pick either the author, the editor, or the translator. 9 times out of 10, it's going to be the author if you can find one. So click the author. Then the boxes will be filled by the first name, a middle name or middle initial if it's given, and then the last name. All these names need to be separated in their separate boxes. So the author's name of this article is Kelly Wallace. So I'm going to type back in Noodletools, Kelly Wallace. She has no middle name, no suffix at the end of her name. If there was more than one author, I would click here to add another contributor. And if I click there by accident, I want to remove these boxes, I would click the red box at the end to delete it. The next box to fill in is the web page or document article title. We have an article title, so we're going to fill it in here. I can go back to the resource, highlight the title, again copy, and paste it into Noodletools. The next box is the name of the website and where the article was found. We go back to the resource, and listed at the top here, it says CNN. Mostly this is the header of the website, and this is where you find the name of the website. If you're unsure of what words to use because you see all these other categories listed after it, look up into the URL, which is at the top. Usually the name of the website is the darkest point of the URL in your browser box. So CNN.com is the name of the website. So I'm going to fill that in. CNN.com. Publisher of the site. Go back to my resource. Now the publisher of the site, 9 times out of 10, is the same as the name of the website. But we're going to verify that by scrolling all the way down to the bottom, looking for the copyright date. And listed after the copyright date is usually the name of the publisher. In this case, it's Cable News Network. Turner Broadcasting Systems. So let's see if we can highlight this. Here I can. Again, I can highlight, copy, and paste that into Noodletools. Now I filled in all my boxes. Great. So I'm ready to submit. Now I just want to point out one more thing to you. See how certain boxes have a red asterisk before it? These boxes have to be filled in order for the citation to be created. All this other information, if it cannot be found, can be left blank and a citation can still be created. We want to click Submit, the green box on the bottom. And now a citation is being created in my project. If I want to go back to the live web page, I can click right here and it will take me right back into the live page where this citation was created from. Also, if I go back to Noodletools, I have the option here to edit. If I need to edit or change any of the information, I can edit here. I can copy or delete my citation. It's all found in the options section here. Thank you for watching.